were talking about Bogota ecological areas and how some of them being affected by the metro construction.
Bogota has many important natural spaces such as wilderness, hills, and natural parks like Entre Nubes and Jardín Botánico and others. That helps the environment and animals.
For example, wetlands are essential because they store water, help prevent floods, clean the environment, and provide the houses on birds and other species. They are important because keeping and healing of balance of the environment. The important thing is to find a balance between the city development and the protection of the nature. So the people used to find a solution for this problem.
But the construction of the metro surrounding areas has been affected. In certain places, such as in this point, trees were cut down and landscape changed. So some citizens are worried because these changes can affect the local animals and can reduce the green areas in the city.
Although the metro will improve transportation and reduce traffic, many people are worried the environmental impact it may cause. Large infrastructure projects often hurt the city ground, but they can also destroy the local ecosystem, pollute air with dust, and produce too much noise for the nearby neighborhood. Is a big challenge for Bogota.
Has also been discussion about noise and dust pollution during the construction work. I am at the Jose Celestino Mutis Botanical Garden and I want you to see a little bit of this beautiful and incredible place. Bogota is not a gloomy city. Bogota is not an industrial city. Bogota is also beauty and nature culture.
Today we are at Parque Entre Nubes, one of the most very important natural spaces in Bogota. This park is known for its ecological trails and great biodiversity, and of the incredible views offered of the city. Here we can enjoy fresh air, observe different species of birds, and connect with nature. In addition, this place plays a very important role in protecting of the environment and conserving the ecosystem of the capital. Because Bogota is not only mobility, it also needs to protect its ecological place. So it's important to care so the future generations can enjoy this.